Now, I've looked at all your proposals before the election. I've looked at all your manifestos. They are very, very poor in terms of any analysis. No, sorry. They are very poor. They're absolutely...
Sorry. There's not much point. There is...
Sorry, they're shocking.
Stop.
There's no
not your question. If you're... Sorry.
They're very poor. All Sinn Féin offered the last time was a house without the land. But actually, Deputy, again, you may feign a laugh. But actually, I would challenge anybody.
Now up to the Deputy to respond to it.
Well, look,
it has been disruptive.
What's been unacceptable here has been a deliberate attempt to interrupt and heckle.
I
did not do that.
Thank you, Taoiseach.
I did not do that to Deputy MacDonald.
It's deliberate, but it's handled. Thank you, your time is up.
Well,
Deputy MacDonald, could you now respond? Would you allow your leader to respond unless it's changed? Deputy MacDonald.